Good morning children, welcome to NCG Max. The question is given 3a minus 2 by root a equal to 1 and a is not equal to 1. Find the value of root a plus a. So this is the problem, root a plus a. So here those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Like this only Olympiad logical and critical tough problems will be uploaded. So here the problems are created. So you cannot see this type of problems in any other channels. So here what is given. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you do this problem or not? Any ideas are there? Otherwise you can continue the solution. So here what is given, 3a minus 2 by root a is equal to 1. So here 3a minus 1 is equal to 2 by root a. So here you have to do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what you will do here, 3a minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 by root a whole square. So squaring on both sides, here what will get, 9a square minus 6a plus 1 is equal to 4 by a. So here if you multiply with a, 9a cube minus 6a square plus a is equal to 4. Send a to that side, 4 to that side. 9a cube minus 6a square plus a minus 4 equal to 0. So this is a cubic equation. So here sum of the quotients is equal to 0. Sum of the quotients is equal to 0. So here a minus 1 is a factor. Sum of the quotients is equal to 0. So here you can write the quotients, 9 minus 6 plus 1 minus 4. So the total is 0. So here you can take a is a factor. So by Horn's method, here you can divide this. So here 9 minus 6, 1 minus 4. So here x minus 1 is a factor. So 0, 9, here 9, 3, here 3, here you will get 4, here plus 4, you will get 0. So here what are the factors means, a minus 1 into 9a square plus 3a plus 4 equal to 0. This is 9a square plus 3a plus 4 equal to 0. So already it is given a is not equal to 1. So you cannot take first one. So 9a square plus 3a plus 4 equal to 0. So how to find the factors here? You won't get the factors. So here perfect square you are doing, 3a whole square plus 12a plus 4 minus 9a equal to 0. So here up to here it is a perfect square, a plus b whole square. So 3a plus 2 whole square minus 3 root a whole square equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. 3a plus 2 plus 3 root a plus b. This is second one, a minus b, 3a plus 2 minus 3 root a equal to 0. So here if you take the first one, so 3a plus 3 root a plus 2 equal to 0. So 3 into a plus root a. 3 into a plus root a is equal to minus 2. That implies a plus root a is equal to minus 2 by root 3. So this is the required answer. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.